When making opening arguments, who actually goes first? Is there an order? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Come join me for a walk on the beach as I share with you the answer to that question as I first navigate some of the rocks that I'm walking through in the water right now. All right, so let's answer the question. Is there an order? Yes, there is an order. So who actually creates that order? Well, I'll tell you who. It's the judge. And the judge says at the beginning of the trial, Mr. Oginski, you may begin your opening remarks. Now, why do I have the opportunity as the attorney representing the injured patient to go first? I'll tell you why. It's because my client and I are bringing this lawsuit against this doctor who we believe was careless. And because we are the ones who are bringing this case, we have an opportunity to show that we are slightly more likely right than wrong than what we are claiming is true. And so it is our obligation to show to the jury evidence to support our particular claim. So we have the ability to go ahead and go first, to let the jury know what our claim actually is, to let the jury know the specifics of what we believe the doctor did wrong, and what injuries the patient suffered because of that particular wrongdoing. When I'm done, the judge will turn to my adversary and say, Counselor, you may begin your opening argument. Now, you should know the defense does not, they do not have to make an opening argument right at that time. There are different strategies for deciding whether they can, whether they should or shouldn't do it. But I find, and you will find, that most defense attorneys will want to go ahead and make opening arguments immediately after we have done so. And that's so that they can rebut our claims immediately, so that the jury doesn't think that, hey, they're not really claiming that nothing was done wrong. They're accepting what Oginski and his client have said. So instead, they're going to go ahead and make opening arguments right after me. Now, you should know something very interesting. At the very end of the trial, now when it comes time to make closing arguments, you know what happens? Who goes first? I'll share a secret with you. The defense lawyer then goes first. Now, why is that? Why are the roles reversed? Why is the order reversed? Well, it's because it gives us, the plaintiff's attorney, the opportunity to have the last word. And I should tell you, we don't even get the last word, because that's really a misnomer. Instead, what happens? The judge is the one who actually gets the last word. So why do I share this quick information with you as I stroll on the beach? I share it with you just to give you a sense of what really occurs in these medical malpractice cases that you may not be aware about. And listen, I understand and I know that you're watching this video not for the scenery, but to learn information about how your particular matter works. Well, if you are thinking of bringing a lawsuit and have not done so yet, and still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207, or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.